Hey friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of TikTok. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your